From Hyderabad to Delhi, the quota fight has now peaked. Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy touched down in the national capital with one demand: to make the 42% quota proposal a reality. Revanth Reddy has been on a mission to get the 42% reservation for backward classes passed, and while it got the cabinet and the assembly nod, the president is yet to give her stamp of approval. Chief Minister Revanth hit the streets of Delhi with state ministers, attempting to pile pressure on the powerhouse of Delhi to approve the proposed legislation.
42% रिजर्वेशन के लिए हम बिल पास किए, वो बिल गवर्नर ने राष्ट्रपति जी एक्सेप्टेंस के लिए दिल्ली भेजा है। 4 महीने हो गए मगर राष्ट्रपति जी से कोई जवाब वापस नहीं आया। ओबीसी बिल पास करवाने के लिए हम लोग आज सड़क से लेकर संसद तक हम लोग लड़ाई कर रहे हैं। इंडिया गठबंधन भी पूरा हमको मदद दिए, मगर फिर भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी एनडीए सरकार ने यहाँ पर ध्यान नहीं दे रहा है।
The Telangana Chief Minister and Rahul Gandhi will also be meeting the President to seek approval for the quota, as the bill is still awaiting the Rashtrapati Bhavan nod.
Because this was the promise made by Rahul Gandhi ji during Bharat Jodo Yatra. This bill was passed in the assembly and also in the cabinet, and the ordinance has been sent to the governor for the approval, and governor has sent it to President of India for this particular ordinance to get through. And we also, the member of parliaments from Telangana, we have invited personally all the India Alliance MPs.
The BJP, meanwhile, has dismissed the Congress's allegations of a go-slow in Delhi, questioning the quota breakdown.
42% రిజర్వేషన్లో 10% ముస్లింలు 5% మాత్రమే ఇలా బీసీలకు ఇస్తే దీన్ని బీసీ రిజర్వేషన్స్ అంటారా, ముస్లిం రిజర్వేషన్స్ అంటారా? కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ స్పష్టం చేయాలి. రాహుల్ గాంధీ గారి సమక్షంలో మీరు ప్రకటించిన బీసీ డిక్లరేషన్లో 10% ముస్లింలకు ఇస్తామని చెప్పి మీరు స్పష్టం చేసినారా?
The quota fight has been escalating in Telangana, with the BRS's K. Kavita also demanding that the Revanth government ensure the reservation becomes a reality.
We are demanding both these national parties that you should give clarity to the people of Telangana. If 10% of Muslim population's reservation is a part of BC bill or not. If it is a part of it, please say so openly and fight for it. If it is not, please say so openly and let the BJP pass this 42% bill. But these two parties are playing with the BCs of Telangana, not clarifying their stand.
With the Telangana Chief Minister now fighting it out in Delhi for his quota move, questions will be asked on whether the dharna was more about political messaging and optics, since the bill currently is at the President's office.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.